Hello, and congratulations on purchasing your enclosure. This enclosure comes fitted with a built-in thermostat RC112E to help maintain a stable and comfortable temperature for your reptile. The thermostat RC112E features the LED display for easy and precise temperature control. It is user-friendly, stable in performance, and compact in size, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The RC112E is programmable, allowing you to set your desired temperature and adjust the temperature differential to suit your needs. It is important to understand how this thermostat operates to ensure the proper environment for your reptile. Different reptile species have different temperature requirements, so you should be able to adjust the thermostat settings to meet the specific needs of your pet. In this video, we will explain how the thermostat works, introduce its different operating modes, and show you how to adjust the temperature settings correctly. When the thermostat is powered on, the display will show the current temperature inside the enclosure. For example, if the screen displays 20 degrees Celsius, that means the enclosure is currently at 20 degrees. You will also notice a red indicator light in the upper left corner of the thermostat. When this light is illuminated, it means the thermostat is actively supplying power to the heat source. Before we continue, there is one very important thing to remember. The thermostat controls only one lamp holder. That is the lamp holder located on the right-hand side when you're facing the enclosure. Your heat source must always be installed in this lamp holder. If you connect the heat source to a different lamp holder, the thermostat will not be able to control the enclosure temperature at all. So how does the thermostat actually work? Let's say you've set a target temperature of 36 degrees Celsius. The thermostat will continue supplying power to the heat source until the temperature probe detects 36 degrees Celsius. Once that temperature is reached, the thermostat switches the heat source off and the red indicator light will go out. As the enclosure cools down, the thermostat continues monitoring the temperature. With the default differential setting of 2 degrees, the thermostat will switch the heat source back on when the temperature drops approximately 2 degrees below the target temperature. When heating resumes, the red indicator light will turn back on. This heating cycle repeats automatically to maintain a stable enclosure temperature. Thermostat settings. Your thermostat has two operating modes. 1. Programming mode, used to configure thermostat settings. 2. Quick mode, used to set the target temperature. Once the thermostat has been configured in programming mode, you will normally only use quick mode to adjust the target temperature. Programming mode settings. The following parameters can be adjusted in programming mode. 1. H/C, heating/cooling mode. Thermostats supplied with these enclosures are set to operate in heating mode. Set this parameter to H. 2. D differential. This setting determines how many degrees Celsius the temperature must drop below the target temperature before the thermostat resumes supplying power to the heat lamp. Recommended value: 2 degrees Celsius. 3. L5 minimum temperature. This is the lowest temperature that can be selected in quick mode. Recommended value: 28 degrees Celsius. 4. H5 maximum temperature. This is the highest temperature that can be selected in quick mode. recommended value 36 degrees Celsius. 5. CA, calibration offset. This setting should always remain at 0. 6. PT, this setting should always remain at 0. How to enter programming mode. Press and hold the set button for approximately 5 seconds. The H/C setting will begin flashing. Use the up and down buttons to select H. Press Set to move to the next parameter. Setting the differential D. When D is displayed, use the up and down buttons to adjust the value. Set D equals 2. Recommended. Press Set to continue. Setting the minimum temperature, L5. When L5 is displayed, use the up and down buttons to select the minimum temperature. We recommend 28 degrees Celsius. Press Set to continue. Setting the maximum temperature, H5. When H5 is displayed, use the up and down buttons to select the maximum temperature. We recommend 36 degrees Celsius. Press Set to continue. Setting CA. When CA is displayed, ensure the value is 0. Press Set to continue. Setting PT. When PT is displayed, ensure the value is 0. Press Set to continue. System will return to HC. After all parameters have been configured, simply stop pressing any buttons. The thermostat will exit programming mode after 15 seconds and save all settings automatically. Using quick mode, after the thermostat has been configured, you will generally only use quick mode to adjust the target temperature. Setting the target temperature. Press the Set button once. The display will show the currently selected target temperature. Use the up and down buttons to increase or decrease the target temperature as required. In quick mode, the target temperature can be adjusted between 28 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Celsius based on the lower and upper temperature limits configured in programming mode. Press the Set button again to save the selected temperature. Once the target temperature has been set, the thermostat will automatically control the heat lamp to maintain the selected temperature according to the settings configured in programming mode. Need assistance? If you have any questions or experience difficulty setting up your thermostat, please contact us at sales@maddies.com.au.